In this video, we'll show you how to use Dapper with dotConnect for MySQL to build a clean, high-performance data layer in your .NET application. To get started, you'll first need to create a new console application project in Visual Studio. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at some data from the MySQL database. Right-click on Data Connections, then select Add Connection. Input your MySQL connection properties and click Test Connection to confirm that everything is set up correctly. Keep in mind that the dotConnect data provider supports other connection methods too, like SSH, proxy, and more, offering you greater flexibility. Once the connection is live, see all the available tables. For example, let's open the tables to inspect their fields. You can retrieve data from the tables to review the structure of the data. Next up, let's set up MySQL connectivity. Right-click on Solution Explorer, open the NuGet Package Manager, search for Dapper, and click Install. Then, install the Devart Data MySQL package. Once installed, you'll need to activate your Devart license. Click the button to open the Devart customer portal, then sign up or sign in. Copy the generated license key and use it to activate the product. Now your project is fully set up and ready to go. To map data from the customer table, we create a simple class with properties for each field we'll use. This model makes it easy for Dapper to map query results into strongly typed objects automatically. We also add a helper class that stores our MySQL connection string. It exposes a simple method that opens and returns a live connection, ready for use in any part of the application. To read data, we open a connection and run a SQL query selecting basic customer fields. Dapper maps each result row into our model automatically. We loop through the list and print customer info to the console. We add a new customer by preparing a SQL statement with parameters and passing in values through an object. After the insert, we immediately query the database to confirm the new record was successfully added. To update, we identify a specific record using name filters and apply new values. Once updated, we retrieve the modified row and display it to confirm the changes. This is a safe, targeted way to update data. To delete, we specify the exact customer by ID and run a delete operation. The app prints how many rows were removed, giving us explicit confirmation that the operation worked as expected. dotConnect for MySQL makes database access in .NET fast, flexible, and developer-friendly, especially when paired with Dapper. Download the 30-day free trial and simplify your next data-driven project.